Hi, I'm Professor Alvey, and this is...
I'm his student, Iman.
And we're going on an adventure. Alright. So, today we're looking for different type of species on our path. Found any, Iman?
Whoa, what is that?
Actually, Iman, that's one of the three most common types of annelids. That's an earthworm. The other two are leeches and marine worms. Interesting, huh?
What's an annelid?
I'm glad that you asked that. Annelids belong to the kingdom Animalia, and that's the phylum Annelids. They include segmented worms, ragworms, earthworms, like we said before, leeches, and 17 other thousand species, but we're not going to get into that.
Where do they live?
They live in freshwater environments, marine environments, and some live in the terrestrial environments, like the land right there.
Leeches. Marine worms. Earthworms. How do they function?
Now on to digestion and nervous system. The digestive system is an unsegmented gut that runs through the middle of the body from the mouth, located on the underside of the head, and leads to the tail. There's two openings, head once again, and the tail. That's where it gets rid of the waste. Now this gut is separated from the body wall and body cavity by the colon.
I know why a worm needs it, but why does a leech need it?
Another question. Well, the colon by the leech is actually different than the worm. The colon by the leech is basically acts as like their skeleton and allows them to move. And it's basically kind of like fluidy, unlike the worms.
Now what if I just stepped on one?
Oh, right. Do not do that, alright? Because if you do that, they'll become immobile. Because if the annelid's body gets punctured, it will no longer be able to move because their movement is solely based on the fluid volume in the colon.
A little embarrassing here, but how do they reproduce?
You don't have to be embarrassed, I'm honest, it's fine. They go through sexual and asexual. Sexually, most are hermaphrodites, but some of them, most annelid species have their own separate sexes. Asexually, they go through binary fission, fragmentation, and budding.
What about the babies?
Well, let's first start with terrestrial annelids. Terrestrial annelids lay their larvae and eggs to hatch.
Wait, there could be eggs underwater?
No, actually, the larvae can swim already. That's pretty cool, though, if you think about it.
Wait, you left out something.
What possibly could a genius like me leave out?
You forgot the nervous system.
Right. Picture, please. As you can see in the picture, annelids have a brain located in the head region, which is connected by a ring of nerves that run to the end of the body.
What do they eat?
Marine worms eat reef particles, earthworms eat dirt, and leeches eat blood.
What are the adaptations?
Well, earthworms live in the ground, so they're basically hid from everything. Leeches can actually sense their environment, so they know if there's danger around. And marine worms hide in corals, and the corals protect them from other predators.
Can you tell me more about the kingdom they belong to?
Kingdom Animalia? Sure. All of them are eukaryotic, multicellular, invertebrate, and I'm Professor Alvey.
And I'm Iman.
Thank you for watching our video on Annelida. See you next time.